Hello, today I'm going to show you how to edit the duration of your photos on TikTok. So we go on the TikTok app and then click this plus sign in the middle and then click the upload here to access your photos and videos, and then just choose the photos that you want. Make sure you also have the select multiple checked. And so for an example, I'm gonna use these 3 photos. And then at the end, make sure you add a video so we can access the feature for editing the duration. Then click next. Now it might give you a sound on default, but we can just get rid of that by clicking the X button there. Now we click this button to edit the duration. Once you've done that, you can now see all the photos and the video that you chose, but you can now go ahead and click that and hit delete to get rid of it. Now to edit the duration, just tap on a photo. So for this one, I want to make the video or the picture longer. So I'm gonna drag it all the way to the right. And if I want it shorter, I can drag it to the left. Just make sure you are clicking on that like little arrow so you can drag the photo. So that's pretty much it. I hope that helps. Thank you.